Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you're doing well. So let's see today's problem, second largest. So what the problem is saying is we'll be given an array of positive integers add. Okay, we have to return the second largest element from the array. If the second largest element doesn't exist, then we have to return -1. Okay, so this problem, I'll make it very easy for you. Just one request to please subscribe to the channel so that I get to serve you. Okay, thank you so much. So let's see. Okay, so we'll be given an array. And what the expectation is, we want to return second largest element. So in this case, which is the second largest element? It is 34. Okay, it is 34. Okay, now how to solve, like how to write the code, right? To in order to return the second largest element. So there are many approaches. So first of all, let's see the naive approach. So simple, right? What we can do is we can sort the array in this case, right? So the first naive approach is to sort the array. So what the array will look like: 10, 12, 34, and 35. Okay, so this is a sorted array. Okay, now what you simply need to do is you want to return the second largest element. Okay, and this will be it. Okay, this will be it. Now, but what will be the time complexity for this? It is going to be O of n log n. Okay, okay. So can we solve this problem in with better time complexity? Okay, so let's see. Look, okay, let's see. So what we can do here is we will take two variables. One will be largest. Okay, let's represent it with lar. Okay, and second is second largest. Okay, let it also initialize with -1. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we are going to iterate the element one by one. Okay, and we are going to check if the element, right? If the element, element is represented by the elements in the array. If it is greater than largest, okay, then what we are going to do is whatever we had in the largest, right? Whatever we had in the largest, we are going to assign second largest, right? We are going to assign largest into second largest, and we are going to assign element into the largest. So in this case, 12 is definitely bigger than largest. So what we are going, so in this code, what we are doing is we are assigning whatever was there in largest. It is -1. So it is going to be the same in the second largest, and we are going to assign the element 12 to the largest. Okay. Then we'll go ahead. We'll go ahead. Here we'll check is 35 greater than largest? Yes, it is. Yes, it is greater than largest. Then in that case, according to this code, what we're going to do? So whatever is there in the largest, we are going to assign to second largest. Okay, and then we are going to update the greater element into the largest. Okay, that's what we're going to do. Then we'll go ahead. Will it is one, right? It is one. So here we are going to check: is it greater than largest? No, it is not. We'll also have one more check: is it greater than second largest? Second largest, and is it less than largest? Okay, so we want to check, is it greater than second largest and then it is less than largest? So have we found the second largest element? No, it is not, right? It is not. This condition is also not satisfying. So we'll go ahead, okay, with 10. So here we're going to check, is this element greater than largest? No, it is not, right? Is it greater than second largest? No, it is not. So we'll go ahead to the next element. Now 34, is it greater than largest? No, it is not. But is it greater than, according to this condition, is element greater than second largest? Yes, 34 is greater than 12. And is it less than largest? Yes, it is less than largest. That means you have to update this. So we'll update. So second largest equal to element, we'll say. Okay, so we are going to update this. Then we are going to go ahead with the next element. We are going to check, is it greater than largest? No, it is not. Is it greater than second largest? No, it is not. And then we'll stop because we have exhausted the elements. And finally, will have a second largest element, okay, into this variable, and we have to return that. If there's no second largest element, we have to return -1, which will be the initial case, right? So this is it. This is the intuition behind solving the problem. I hope you have got the intuition. Now, please, I'll request you to subscribe to the channel. Let's quickly code. First, I'll show the Java code followed by C++. Okay, so let's have largest, okay, -1. Let's have second largest, -1. Okay, then what are we going to do? We are going to have a for loop. Okay, we are going to have a for loop, and here we are going to check if element is greater than largest. If it is, if this is the case, if this is the case, then whatever is in largest, we are going to assign to the second largest. I've already explained this, and we'll assign the element to the largest. Okay. Second condition is if the element is not greater than largest, but if it is greater than second largest, and if it is, sorry, and if the element is less than largest. If it is the case, then we have found the second largest element. Okay. Okay, which is greater than the previous second largest element, and we will assign the element to the second largest. And finally, what we are going to return? We're going to return second largest. So this is it. Let's compile. I hope you have got the solution. The C++ code is also the same. So no need to explain this. I'll attach the code in the comment section. Okay, both Java and C++. Okay, the test cases are passed. Thanks for watching. I'll request you to please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Also, let's quickly see this time complexity. It is going to be O of n because we are iterating through the array only once. Okay, and that is why this is better than the sorting algorithm which we discussed initially. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.